Hi guys, this is Cal, and a lot of people are trying my TCS system and are asking how to join in to try it out. All right, let me tell you what to do. 3 simple steps. All right, first of all, you're watching this video. That's the most important thing. I want you to be happy watching this video because I want to show you this how my indicator looks like. This indicator is simple, it's easy, and it's consistent. It has colors to tell you when to buy, when to sell. You have arrows to tell you that where the alignment is. So once alignment is there, boom, that's how you buy and that's how you sell the market. All right, you like this? Let's continue. Now you will need to have a Telegram because you need to contact us and we will tell you what to do over here. Okay, and you need to have a Facebook account so that we can share with you market information live every single morning and in the afternoon. All right, so you need to have a Facebook account, and last but not least, you must register. Okay, register for it and you will get the Zoom link for the 12th of May. All right, from 1500 hours, because the Zoom session will be happening on the 13th of May, Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's just 1 hour. All right, 3 simple steps. As long as you can do it, you can join the 150 users are trying it right now. This is Cal signing off. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.